went shopping. Went and got me some shampoo. Amia! So, this conditioner, I really did it. So I told you guys I was gonna show you the type of shampoo I use. Now, hear me out. Hear me out. Now, I usually use Paul Mitchell clarifying. They're closed. I can't go to nowhere to get it. Chill, baby. Chill. Go eat. Chill. Go eat your food. Now, hear me out. I use Tresemme.
On my watch.
Okay, I use Tresemme. It's this one. 2-in-1. Clean and replenish, gently removes residue and buildup. Okay, let's take a screenshot of this because this actually really worked. Actually, I was kind of surprised. Kind of did my research before I went there. I was like looking up clarifying shampoos by Tresemme and Pantene. Those are usually what's inside of Walmart, CVS. And I'm not talking about the like Shea Moisture and those type of brands. I'm talking about like I need something to remove. And then because I'm about to flat iron my hair to do a ponytail. So if I need something to remove the buildup. And it worked. Like my hair feels really good. My scalp feels nice. And I got a conditioner sitting on. I am using the conditioner that came with the freaking color. So it is boxed.
Going to jail! Period!
Yes, it is boxed now. Now I want to put, it's a primer. It's a blowout primer. Now even though I didn't use not one Paul Mitchell product, still gotta protect the hair. Now you need these 2 pumps. I probably had that bottle for like 3 years. And I use it every time I blow out my hair. Oh yes, baby, my hair is growing from the last time I cut it. After the blowout primer, part and braid your hair in different sections. So I'm going to finish plaiting my hair up and I'm gonna get back to you. Either want some blow drying or want some done blow drying. Okay, so I just blow dry my hair. Lay down. So it feels really nice. Really, really nice.
The ghetto!
And now I'm going to flat iron my hair. I got my Paul Mitchell, probably one of my first flat irons I ever had that I bought. Well, I bought them once when I went to college school. But did I? No. So I'm gonna let this heat up. So right now I'm putting a little bit of the Kaleidoscope hair drops inside of my hair along with some serum, and I'm parting my hair out in 4 sections. After that, I do start from my ears and I work my way up from both front sections into the back sections. I did not put my flat iron on high heat. There was some reason for me to like flat iron my hair to the gods. I wanted to get it just flat enough so that when I'm laying my hair down, I'm not combing my scalp as much trying to get this hair to go inside this rubber band. So the do's and don'ts for me with this hairstyle: don't use got to be glue, the gel, the cream. only Got To Be Glue the spray. I regretted putting that Got To Be Glue the gel on my hair instantly. The hairstyle still came out cute. However, that stuff made my hair hard. And I already knew that the moment I didn't want to wear ponytails anymore, I would have to wash my hair all over again. And I do not wash my hair that frequently. Like within a week of each other, that's just too much for me. So I regretted putting that Got To Be Glue gel inside of my hair. So basically I just take small sections and I just keep combing and brushing it down into the back ponytail, which is super duper easy. Okay, so this is the finished look. I'm gonna take some pictures tomorrow. I think it's 12 o'clock on the dot right now. So this is the finished look. Super duper cute. Edges is laid or whatever. And it's shiny. So see y'all. Excuse my nose. I had cleaned around my nose. So like got all like the dead skin. If you have a nose ring, you know what I'm talking about. So yeah. So I just woke up. I did my makeup. You know, whatever. And I'm about to put it on my ponytail. Because I don't sleep in it, I can take it off. And also, don't excuse this part of my lash. I thought I took them off and I set them down. I thought I did, but one of them I did and I fell asleep with it wrapped around my finger. I don't know how. So yeah, excuse this and this. Okay? Like I said, this is the ponytail. This is my loose wave texture. This is one bundle. Well, a little bit less than a bundle, actually. And it is 18 inches. So we have a clip. It has a clip and it has this part that you wrap around the base. Okay? So, I wanted my ponytail down here, but we're gonna keep it right here. Like, I like that. And I'm over it. So you put the clip in, right? Y'all see that? And you take this part and you wrap it under. You take this part, ouch, and you wrap it around. Okay. Then you take the hair on the end of that Velcro, and you kind of spread it out. To cover the Velcro. And then it's like keep wrapping until you can wrap some more. And that's how it looks. And you can't see my natural hair under it. Okay, so yeah. That's how I'm gonna wear my hair for the next couple of days. I probably won't have to do nothing much except for this part, because when I lay down I push this back like that. And my hair is pretty it's pretty hard because I had used the Got To Be Glue styling gel, and I'm pretty sure I won't have to do nothing to it. Let's do this. Except put this ponytail on and do my little edges or whatever. Well, do this part and then right here. Hopefully these bumps go away soon. So what do y'all tell me what y'all think in the comments. Simple little ponytail, and that's my period. Hair is absolutely gorgeous as always. Like I said, this is my loose wave texture. So let's turn around one more time. Super duper cute. I like it. I might touch my hair. Yes, this is high school, Ashley. By the way, like, don't nobody really follow me or whatever. I don't really talk to nobody from high school, so I can't have nobody vouch for me. But this is high school, Ashley.